Do you think just by watching a few videos on YouTube or reading a few articles, you can land a programming job? Or maybe you're coding every day, but still don't know how to make money from this skill? In this video, we're not going to say, just learn and a miracle will happen. Instead, we're going to uncover the real path together. How to truly learn coding and land a real job. Not with vague talk, not with false hope, but with a plan, precise tips, and things most beginners don't know. One, building a learning path with a career goal, not just learning to code. Many people jump into Python, JavaScript, or Java just because they're popular, but they never ask, what exactly am I going to do with this language? Goal setting. First decide if you want to work in backend, frontend, data, or artificial intelligence. Then choose the right language and tools based on that. Learning structure. The order of learning matters. For backend, for example, you should first learn HTTP, then REST API, then databases, and then authentication, not the other way around. Avoid mental jumping. Don't switch between multiple languages or frameworks every week. Consistency is key to progress. Choose your language based on your career path, not trends. Concepts first, tools later. A wrong choice at the beginning can cost you months of wasted time. 2. Building real-world projects with job market standards. Creating a calculator or a snakes and ladders game is fine. But no one will hire you for that. Projects with databases, user authentication, and APIs connecting to external services are the kind of work that show you understand real-world demands. Always put your projects on GitHub with clear explanations, a README file, and proper documentation. Writing tests and organizing your code, like using MVC architecture or modular design, has a big impact. A real project should include a database, forms, and auth. Clean, well-structured code is more valuable than how the project looks. Good documentation puts you ahead of 90% of your competitors. 3. Practicing interviews and problem solving. A great resume, without interview prep, means getting rejected at the final stage. Sites like LeetCode and HackerRank are great practice tools, but don't get lost in them. Solve problems thoughtfully, not by memorization. Learn algorithms and data structures to understand problem solving, not just to pass tests. Practicing classic problems like anagram, balanced parentheses, or BFS in graphs is always useful. Solve 2 questions a day, but focus more on the analysis than the solution. Algorithms are tools, not the goal. A wrong but well-analyzed answer is better than a lucky correct one. 4. Learning tools that add real value to your resume. Just knowing a language isn't enough. There are tools that make your resume stand out. Git and GitHub matter not just for projects, but for teamwork. Get familiar with Docker and deployment concepts. Many companies want someone who can run the program, not just write it. Familiarity with Postman, Swagger, CI/CD, or even Jira and Trello is a big plus. Don't know Git? That means you can't work in a team. Postman is a testing tool, but shows you understand REST APIs. DevOps, even at a basic level, is a competitive advantage. 5. Professional networking and job search strategy. Is knowing how to code enough? No, you also need to know how to present yourself. LinkedIn isn't just for job hunting. Sharing projects, commenting on tech posts, and connecting with professionals helps you get noticed. Participate on platforms like Stack Overflow or Dev.to. They show you're connected to the tech community. When applying for jobs, customize your resume and cover letter for each posting. A LinkedIn profile with no projects or descriptions is a missed opportunity. Every job application needs a different strategy. Good jobs aren't found, they're built. Now it's your turn. Which of these steps has been the hardest for you? Drop it in the comments so we can dive deeper in future videos.